Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn weather vocabulary with daily use sentences. Sunny. It's sunny today. I love sunny days. Rainy. Take an umbrella, it's the rainy season. Do you like rainy days? Cloudy. The sky is cloudy. It's very cloudy today. It might rain. Windy. The trees are swaying. It's windy today. Hold your hat. It's windy. Snowy. It's snowy here. The ground is snowy. Thunder. Did you hear the thunder? Yes, the thunder was too loud. Lightning. Stay indoors, there's lightning outside. Lightning can be dangerous, so be careful during storms. Hot. It's hot today. I'm sweating because it's so hot in here. Cold. It's cold outside. Wear a jacket, it's cold. Warm. It's warm today. Do you like warm weather? Cool. It's cool this morning. I love the cool mornings, they're so refreshing. Stormy. It's stormy now. Stay inside, it's stormy. Foggy. It's foggy outside. Drive carefully, it's foggy. Hail. Look outside, it's hailing. The car got damaged in the hail. Frost. There's frost on the ground. Watch out, it's frosty. Mist. There's mist in the morning. The hills are misty. Humid. It's so humid today, my hair is frizzy. I don't like humid days. They make me feel sticky. Dry. It's been dry for weeks. We need rain. Dry weather can cause wildfires easily. Drizzle. A light drizzle is falling. It's been drizzling all morning. I love walking in a gentle drizzle. Breezy. It's breezy today. It's a bit breezy. You might need a light jacket. Blizzard. There's a blizzard coming. Stay warm, it's a blizzard. Mild. The weather is mild. I like mild weather. Heat wave. A heat wave is coming. It's a heat wave today. Chilly. It's chilly this morning. The air is chilly. Gale. The gale is strong. It's difficult to walk outside with this gale. Showers. We had a few heavy showers this morning. Bring a raincoat in case of sudden showers. Muggy. It's muggy today. I find muggy weather very uncomfortable. Overcast. The sky is overcast. It's an overcast day. Sleet. It's sleeting now. Sleet is making roads slippery. Downpour. The heavy downpour started suddenly. Let's wait inside until the downpour stops.